I'm Robin Taylor, and we're here in my Coldwell Banker North Hills office, and I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour. This is Real Estate with Robin, and I'm here with my producer, Kyle. So we have conference rooms over here. It's afternoon, and so it's pretty busy right now because there are a couple closings going on. In here, this is our training room. And so one of the things that I love about Coldwell Banker is all the training that they do for agents. They really care about agents and help people become better agents.
So Robin, we do have a couple viewer questions for you. And the first one is, what is the best part about being a real estate agent?
You know, I love working with first-time home buyers. I remember how exciting it was when I bought my first home, and I just love sharing in that excitement with them because it's really a big deal. So here, come on, let me show you some of the rest of the office. So we're gonna head this way, and we're gonna head back toward the offices. And were there some more questions, Kyle?
Yeah, the second question we have for you, Robin, is what does the typical day in your life as a real estate agent look like?
Well, I start my day early in the morning, and the first thing that I do is I go through all of my emails, check my text messages, and see anything that came in overnight. And then the next thing I do is that I look at all of the new listings that have come on the MLS. That's the multiple listing service, because I want to know what's out there, what is our inventory, and I'm looking for matches for people that I work with, my clients, to see if there's anything good for them. Now, real estate, there's a lot of paperwork, and so I try to get my paperwork done first thing in the morning, so then I can make appointments and go out in the afternoon, and I'm sort of out and about. So I wanted to show you the office. We've got offices all along this wall, and then a lot of people that work in here. And we have some little conference rooms, so if you want to make phone calls and you don't want everybody hearing you, you can be in these offices. And we're just going to head on back. Now, Kyle, was there another question?
The third question we have for you, Robin, is what is something that surprised you about real estate when you first became an agent?
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a whole lot easier than it was. I thought that I was going to get leads from my brokerage and that I would just be able to follow up on them, kind of like a car dealership where people walk in the door and they're looking for a salesperson and they want to buy a car. It's not like that in real estate. You have to generate your own clients, and you really are an independent contractor. And I think that's part of what makes it hard. But once you get that going, then it gets a lot easier. So we're continuing our tour, and this is the copy room. And why is this so important? Well, there is a ton of paperwork in real estate, and so we're always scanning or sending things, and that's why the copy center is important. And then my office is over here. Welcome to my office. Come on in, take a seat, and let me see if there's any more questions I can answer.
So the final question we have for you, Robin, is what is something that you would say to somebody who is thinking about buying or selling?
Well, I think you really need to work with somebody experienced, so give me a call, because it's a big decision, and you need somebody to guide you through. You need somebody who is going to negotiate and be in your corner, and so that's really important, to have somebody who knows what they're doing and is going to stand up for you.
Well, thank you so much, Robin, for giving us this tour. That's all the time we have questions for today.
Well, I want to thank everyone out there, and thank you for watching. I'm Robin Taylor, and this is Real Estate Done Right.